Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, my dad made me do another practical print.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This is the Print It Yourself spool from Slant3D.com that allows you to use refill filaments. One of the big benefits to this is that the left and the right are exactly the same. One side of the hub has an angle, so to put it together, you have to put angle to angle and then twist. The files of this model were provided to us by Reusable.com, which is a monthly filament subscription. The download of this model also includes a 6-inch spool as well. This was printed in CC3 PLA on the Prusa MK2S with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. The fit and finish was perfect, and I can't wait to fill it up with filament from rhinoreal.com. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so this joke was submitted by Adam81. A sheep, a drum, and a snake all fall off a cliff. Ba-dum.